If you don't watch this, you will be burning money on your meta ads. Now imagine you walk into a grocery store and scream at the shopkeeper, भैया 2016 में तो आटा 150 रुपए का था, अब 300 रुपए का कैसे? He will look at you like you are crazy and might say, sir, inflation नाम की भी चीज होती है. But every single day, business owners come to me and scream the exact same thing about meta ads. They say, Nitin, in 2016, I got leads for 30 rupees. Why is it 100 rupees now? Why is Meta looting me? Here is the harsh reality nobody tells you. Your marketing isn't expensive. Your strategy is expired. Today, I'm going to show you the AdTech Inflation Index. We will look at the scary math of CPMs, proving why 2016 results are dead. And then I will show you the only mathematical model used by brands like Minimalist to cheat this inflation. Let's look at the data because numbers don't lie. First, the kitchen meter. In 2016, atta was 150 rupees. In 2026, atta is 270 rupees plus, growth 1.8x. Number 2, the petrol meter. In 2016, petrol was 64 rupees a liter. In 2026, 100 rupees a liter, growth 1.5x. Number 3, the wealth meter, Sensex. In 2016, it was 26,000. In 2026, it is 85,000. Growth 3.2x. Everything around you has inflated 2x or 3x. But in digital marketing, the inflation is hyperinflation. Why? Because atta supply can increase, petrol supply can increase, but human attention is capped at 24 hours. And the number of brands fighting for that 24 hours has exploded by 100x. Here is the math your agency is scared to show you. In 2016, you competed with big brands. In 2026, you compete with every D2C startup, every influencer, and every AI bot content creator. In 2016, CPM was 40 to 50 rupees. In 2026, CPM is 150 to 200. Jump is 4x. And now let's look at the global CPMs. India CPM growth is 300% in 10 years. US and Australia CPM growth 150% in 10 years. Now the question came, why are we growing faster? Because lakhs of Indian brands came online in the last decade alone. We are catching up to global pricing. So 200 rupees CPM today feels expensive, but in 2030, you will pray for this 200 rupees CPM. So if ads are expensive by 4x, but your product margins has only grown by 2x, your margins are practically dead unless you cheat this system. Let's look at the Minimalist story. They don't just burn the money, they fixed the retention math. Let's take a scenario. Suppose you want to sell 1000 units, a typical D2C brand with 20% retention rate. To sell 1000 units, they need to have 800 new customers from Meta. Cost 800 new customer, suppose 500 rupees CAC is 4 lakh rupees of ad spend. On the other hand, brands like Minimalist with retention rate of 60%. To sell 1000 units, they only need 400 new customers. Cost 400 new customers into 500 rupees CAC, so the total ad spend become only 2 lakh rupees. The result, Minimalist spend half the money to get the same revenue. They didn't beat the algorithm, they bypassed it. While you're crying about rising CPMs, they are celebrating rising retention. This is what I tell every founder. Are you renting or owning? Renting is when you are relying 100% on ads. The landlord will raise the rent every year. Owning, building brand equity, building trust, building community, building a good product so that people will come back to you. If you don't build equity in 2026, the ad inflation will eat your business alive. It's a mathematical certainty. So, stop looking for hacks to lower your CPM by 10 rupees and start looking for ways to increase your retention by 10%. The era of cheap traffic is over. The era of brand trust is here. Accept the inflation and adjust your strategy. Lage raho.